This video is about meeting people, what you should say when you meet people, how to ask them to introduce themselves to you. So you meet a stranger, you don't assume that you know them, right? And you have to ask them politely to introduce themselves to you. This video will be showing you how to do that without being disrespectful, because like I always say, Yorubas value respect a lot. They don't joke with it. When you meet someone, the first thing that you do is to greet. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ kú ìrọ̀lẹ́, or ẹ káalẹ́, depending on what time of the day it is. After you have greeted the person, you have to introduce yourself. As we have learned in the previous video, you go ahead and say your name. Orúkọ mi ni Tana. Ọmọ ìpínlẹ̀ Èkìtì ni mí. Iṣẹ́ olùkọ́ Yorùbá ni mò ń ṣe. Mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jó. Oúnjẹ tí mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jẹ ni iyán àti ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí. Now, after introducing yourself, you can now go ahead to ask the other person to introduce themselves to you. And to do this, you ask them by saying, Njemo le mọ̀ yín? Please, may I meet you? I'm going to make this video conversational so that you will see how a typical conversation like this can go. Njemo le mọ̀ yín?
Kí ló wù yín láti mọ̀ nípa mi?
Ó wù mí láti mọ orúkọ yín, ibi tí ẹ ti wá, iṣẹ́ tí ẹ ń ṣe, nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ràn láti máa ṣe, àti oúnjẹ tí ẹ fẹ́ràn láti máa jẹ.
Ó dára. Adé ni orúkọ mi. Mo wá láti ìlú Òṣogbo. Iṣẹ́ akọ̀wé ni mò ń ṣe. Mo fẹ́ràn láti máa tayò. Oúnjẹ tí mo fẹ́ràn láti máa jẹ ni iyán àti ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀fọ́.
Ẹ ṣé tí ẹ sọ nípa yín fún mi.
Kò tọ́pẹ́.
Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀ o.
I hope you enjoyed that conversation and you learned how to introduce yourself and also meet people. Certainly there are other things you can say to introduce yourself, but let's work with this basic one for now. And as we go further in lessons on this channel, you will learn more ways to introduce yourself. Go ahead and practice what you have learned in this video by asking people to introduce themselves to you and also introducing yourself to them. Màá tún máa rí yín nínú fọ́nrán mi. Ó dàbọ̀.